In today's video, I'm going to teach you the top 5 tips for selling your refinished furniture on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just getting started, implementing these strategies can help you make the most of your listings and attract potential buyers. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the importance of taking high quality photos. This might seem straightforward, but believe me, a picture is worth 1,000 words, especially online. Ensure that your furniture is staged in good lighting. Natural light from a window or soft indoor lighting can work wonders. Capture your piece from multiple angles, including the front, side, and some close-up shots that highlight its unique details. If you've put significant effort into refinishing it, a before and after shot can add tremendous value by showcasing the transformation. Lastly, keep the background clean and uncluttered to ensure all the focus is on your beautiful furniture. Next up is writing a clear and honest description. Be sure to mention the type of furniture you're selling, whether it's a dresser, coffee table, or nightstand, so buyers know instantly what they're looking at. Highlight the refinishing work you've done, whether it's sanding, repainting, or adding new hardware. It's also crucial to include dimensions like height, width, and depth, since buyers need to know if it will fit their space. Additional details such as the condition, color, and wood type, if known, can enhance your listing and make it more appealing. Now let's focus on how to price your items strategically. Research similar listings in your area to help gauge an appropriate price range. This prevents you from undervaluing your time and effort while keeping it competitive in the market. You might want to start slightly higher than your target price, leaving a little wiggle room for negotiation. This strategy can often lead to a sale price closer to what you're aiming for. Moving on to improving visibility, using keywords is crucial. Craft a title that includes searchable terms and descriptors, like modern farmhouse dresser, solid wood, newly refinished. Additionally, including style tags such as boho, rustic, mid-century, or farmhouse can help buyers with specific tastes find your listing. Mentioning terms like refinished or handmade will also attract buyers looking for unique, personalized pieces. Lastly, it's vital to be responsive and ensure safety. Quick responses to inquiries greatly increase your chances of a quicker sale. Offer flexible pickup times to accommodate buyers' schedules, and prioritize safety by meeting in public places for exchanges or having someone with you if the pickup happens at your home. When it comes to payment, utilize secure methods such as cash, Venmo, Zelle, or Facebook Pay. By focusing on these 5 key areas, you'll enhance your success in selling on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching and happy selling.